are going to do the test, and here is test number 7. Here is test number 7. Okay, here is test number 7, and in the 7 lessons, in the 7th list, we are working on to be forms WH questions. To be forms WH questions. सरला जी तुमचं रिव्हिजन पण होऊन जाईल ह्याच्यातून. ओके, सो to be forms WH questions. Our first WH question is who? Our first WH question is who? Rohit, answer me. Who am I? You are a student. Okay, answer me. Who am I?
Yes. Who am I?
You are a student in this way.
Yes.
Can you see the test?
Yes, I see the test.
Okay. Who am I?
Yes, I am a student.
You are a student. See, the first answer
okay.
is you are a student. Okay.
You are a student.
Who am I?
You are a student.
Who are we?
We are a student.
Who are you?
I am a student.
Who are you?
We are a student.
Who are they?
They are a student.
आता मला सांगा, they are student आहे की they are students आहे? एक वचन
They
आहे
are
की
students.
They are students.
Correct. Who are they?
They are students.
Who are Ram and Shyam?
Ram and Shyam are students.
Who is he?
He is a student.
Who is she?
She is a student.
Who is Ram?
Ram is a student.
Very good, very good. Okay, Sunita, answer me. Arey, who is writing there? Yuvraj, why are you writing? Okay, Sunita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer me. Who am I? You are a doctor. Okay, who am I?
You are a doctor.
Who are we?
We are a doctor.
We are
Doctor.
doctors.
Hmm.
Okay, who are you?
I am a doctor.
Who are you?
We are doctors.
Who are you?
They are doctors.
I am a doctor. Sorry. Who are they?
They are doctors.
Who are Ram and Shyam?
Ram and Shyam are doctors.
Who is he?
He is a doctor.
Who is she?
She is a doctor.
Who is Ram?
Ram is a doctor.
Okay, very good. Sarla ji, who am I? You are a bank manager. Answer me. You are a
I
bank
am
manager.
bank manager. I am bank manager.
No, you are a bank manager. Okay, Asude Yuvraj ji, basa.
You are not, sir. I am a bank manager.
एक मिनिट शांतपणे उत्तर द्या. पहिलं उत्तर द्या तुम्ही. अ स्टुडंटच्या ऐवजी बँक मॅनेजर लिहा. ओके, हु एम आय? उत्तर द्या. यू आर अ बँक मॅनेजर.
You are a bank manager.
म्हणजे मी कोण आहे? तर तुम्ही काय म्हणणार? तुम्ही बँक मॅनेजर आहात. कळलं? मग आयचं उत्तर यू मध्ये येणार. कधी लक्षात ठेवा. ओके, उत्तर द्या. हु एम आय?
You are a bank manager.
हु आर वी?
We are a bank manager.
हु आर यू?
You are. I am a bank manager.
बघून उत्तर द्या. बघून तिथं. हु आर यू?
I am a bank manager.
हु आर यू? दुसरं यू. वी आर बँक मॅनेजर्स.
We are a bank manager.
हु आर दे?
They are a bank manager.
मॅनेजर नाही, मॅनेजर्स. अनेक वचन आहे. हु आर दे?
They are bank managers.
हु आर राम अँड श्याम?
Ram and Shyam in the bank managers.
इन काय नाही आहे, मनाचं काही लावू नका. तिथं पाहून उत्तर द्या. हु आर राम अँड श्याम?
Ram and Shyam. Sir, याच्यावर दिसत नाहीये ना ते.
नाही, मी दाखवतोय. सर्वांना दिसतंय. तुम्ही तिथं क्लिक करा ना.
केलंय सर मी, पण वरती नाही का, थोडस फक्त तू 3-4च ऑप्शन आलेले आहेत फक्त.
शेअर स्क्रीन मध्ये आहे पहा.
हा.
ओके, हु इज ही?
He is a student.
ही इज अ बँक मॅनेजर. अ स्टुडंटच्या ऐवजी बँक मॅनेजर घ्यायचं. ओके,
He is a bank manager.
हु इज शी?
She is a bank manager.
हु इज राम?
Ram is a bank manager.
Got it, everybody? Now you are going to make the questions here and answers. Questions and answers you are writing here. All right, it is done. So tests are very simple but informative. Tests are very simple but informative. This will give you a lot of confidence to speak in English. This test will give you a lot of confidence to speak in English. Okay, when am I here? If you want the Marathi meaning, you can ask me, sir, tell me the Marathi meaning. I can tell you. Understand? But I think that nobody wants the Marathi meaning, so I am not telling the Marathi meaning. All right? So when am I here? मी इथे केव्हा असतो? You are here at 6 AM. तुम्ही इथे 6 वाजता असता. Aman, answer me. Aman, answer me. When am I here?
Yes, sir. You are here at 10 a.m.
When are we here?
We are here at 10 a.m.
When are you here?
What, sir?
When are you here?
I am here at 10 a.m.
When are you here?
We are here at 10 a.m.
When are they here?
They are here at 10 a.m.
When are Ram and Shyam here?
Ram and Sham are here at 10 a.m.
When is he here?
He is here at 10 a.m.
When is she here?
She is here at 10 a.m.
When is Ram here?
Ram is here at 6 a.m. 10 a.m.
ओके सरला जी,
हा सर.
आन्सर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे.
यस सर.
ओके, म्यूट मध्ये आन्सर करायचंय, म्यूट मध्ये. आता आपण एक नवीन आन्सर घेतोय ह्यातलं ऑन संडे. ह्यातलं एक आन्सर घेतोय ऑन संडे. ओके, वेन एम आय हियर? यू आर हियर ऑन संडे. विनायक जी आन्सर मी. वेन एम आय हियर?
You are here on Sunday.
वेन आर वी हियर?
We are here on Sunday.
वेन आर यू हियर?
I am here on Sunday.
वेन आर यू हियर?
We are here on Sunday.
वेन आर दे हियर?
They are here on Sunday.
वेन आर राम एंड श्याम हियर?
Ram and Sham are here on Sunday.
वेन इज ही हियर?
He is here on Sunday.
वेन इज शी हियर?
She is here on Sunday.
वेन इज राम हियर?
Ram is here on Sunday.
आता ह्या आन्सर मधील अजून एक आन्सर घेतोय आपण, इन द इव्हनिंग. इन द इव्हनिंग. ओके, वेन एम आय? ओके, सुनीता आन्सर मी. वेन एम आय इन द क्लास?
You are here in the class, no sir?
हा, यू आर इन द क्लास इन द इव्हनिंग. ओके,
Okay.
वेन एम आय इन द क्लास?
You are here in the class in the evening.
वेन आर वी हियर नाही वापरायचं. वेन आर वी इन द क्लास?
Where are?
ओके, फाइन फाइन. इन द इव्हनिंग वापरा. वेन आर वी हियर? वी आर हियर इन द इव्हनिंग. ओके, वेन आर वी हियर?
You are here in the evening.
When are we here? We. Second answer. Second.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, should we send the test? मतलब sir जितना भी
We'll talk
test हुआ
about
है.
test. We'll talk about test after the class, not now. We have to complete this test. Okay, Sunita, start from
Yes.
first. Start from first. When am I here?
You are here in the evening.
When are we here?
We are here in the evening.
When are you here?
I am here in the evening.
When are you here?
We are here in the evening.
When are they here?
They are here in the evening.
When are Ram and Shyam here?
Ram and Sham are in the evening.
Okay, when is he here?
He is here in the evening.
When is she here?
She is here in the evening.
When is Ram here?
Ram is here in the evening.
Got it, everybody? Do you need
Yes,
more explanation?
First question, please tell.
ओके, वेन एम आय इन द क्लास. आता हिअरच्या ऐवजी इन द क्लास घ्यायचं. म्हणजे मी
In the
क्लासमध्ये
class आणि in the evening असं एकत्र घेतलं होतं ना तुम्ही?
हा, मग एक उत्तर सांगतो. 1 मिनिट 2 मिनिटं थांबा. वेन एम आय इन द क्लास म्हणजे मी क्लासमध्ये केव्हा असतो. यू आर इन द क्लास इन द इव्हनिंग. तुम्ही क्लासमध्ये संध्याकाळी असता.
In the class in the evening.
ओके, आता उत्तर द्या. वेन एम आय इन द क्लास?
You are in the class in the evening.
वेन आर वी इन द क्लास?
We are in the class in the evening.
वेन आर यू इन द क्लास?
I am in the class in the evening.
वेन आर यू इन द क्लास?
We are in the class in the evening.
वेन आर दे इन द क्लास?
They are in the class in the evening.
वेन आर राम एंड श्याम इन द क्लास?
Ram and Sham are in the class in the evening.
When is he in the class?
He is in the class in the evening.
When is she in the class?
She is in the class in the evening.
When is Ram in the class?
Ram is in the class in the evening.
So you are using these questions and these answers. Okay, at 6 a.m. माझ्यानंतर बोला सर्वांनी. सरला जी माझ्यानंतर बोला. at 6 a.m.
at 6 a.m.
सकाळी 6 वाजता. अनम्यूट करा. at 6 a.m. मी मीनिंग सांगतोय सर्वांना म्हणजे तुम्हाला थोडस आयडिया येऊन जाईल. माय लेक्चर इज at 6 a.m. बोला.
My
ओके,
lecture is at 6 a.m.
माझे लेक्चर सकाळी 6 वाजता आहे.
माझे लेक्चर सकाळी 6 वाजता आहे.
ओके, सर्वांना मराठी मिनिंग माहित आहे. जर माहित नसेल तर मला विचारा, मी मराठी मिनिंग सांगेन. ओके,
चालेल.
माय लेक्चर इज इन द इव्हनिंग.
My lecture is in the evening.
The movie is at midnight.
The movie is at
Midnight.
midnight.
Okay, my exam is in a month.
My exam is in a month.
My interview is in an hour.
My interview is in
an hour.
an hour.
Okay, my car is early. My exam is early.
My car is early. My exam is early.
My exam is afterwards.
My exam is afterwards.
Gathering is rarely.
Gathering is rarely.
Exam was 4 days ago.
Exam was 4 days ago.
Okay, the party was on Sunday.
The party was on Sunday.
The party was at noon.
The party was, repeat sir.
At noon.
Noon.
Noon. N-O-O-N, noon. लिहिले पहा तिथे, सेकंड कॉलम चाललाय. The party was at noon.
The party was at noon.
The party was in a day.
The party was in a day.
The reply was in a second.
The reply was in a second.
The village was in dark.
The village was in dark.
He will be here instantly.
Even we here instantly.
The officer will be here once a day.
The officer
Will be here.
will be here once a day.
Okay, the exam is after Sunday.
Exam is after Sunday.
Exam is late.
Exam is late.
Result is in July.
Result is in July.
The program is at night.
The program is at night.
The school is in a week.
The school is in a week.
The mail is in a minute.
The mail is in a minute.
The inauguration was before Monday.
Inauguration was before Monday.
Ambulance will be here immediately.
Ambulance will be here immediately.
Training is thrice a day.
Training is thrice a day.
Training is till 5 p.m.
Training is till 5 p.m.
Training is in the morning.
Training is in the morning.
Training is at mid-noon.
Training is at mid-noon.
Training is in a year.
Training is in a year.
Training is in a half an hour.
Training is in a half an hour.
Training is soon.
Training is soon.
Training is already.
Training is already.
Training is 4 times a day.
Training is 4 times a day.
Training is until Monday.
Training is until Monday.
Okay, in this way you are making the sentences and questions and you are writing those questions and answers here. All right, got it everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now next test. Next test is about where. कोठे. Where म्हणजे कोठे. Where am I at 6 a.m? मी 6 वाजता कोठे असतो. You are in Pune at 6 a.m. तुम्ही 6 वाजता पुण्यामध्ये असता. Swati madam, answer me. Where am I at 6 a.m? You are in Pune at 6 a.m. Okay. Where am I at 6 a.m?
You are in Pune at 6 a.m.
Where are we at 6 a.m?
We are in Pune at 6 a.m.
Where are you at 6 a.m?
I am in Pune at 6 a.m.
Where are you at 6 a.m?
We are in Pune at 6 a.m.
Okay, where are they at 6 a.m?
They are in Pune at 6 a.m.
Where are Ram and Sham at 6 a.m?
Ram and Cham are in Pune at 6 a.m.
Where is he at 6 a.m?
He is in Pune at 6 a.m.
Where is she at 6 a.m?
She is in Pune at 6 a.m.
Where is it at 6 a.m?
It is in Pune at 6 a.m.
Where is Ram at 6 a.m?
Ram is in Pune at 6 a.m.
Okay, Avedna, answer me.
Yes.
Where am I? We are picking up one answer from here. Where am I? You are out of the room. Okay, you are out of the room. एवढंच उत्तर द्यायचं आहे. Okay, where am I?
You are out of the room.
Where are we?
We are out of the room.
Where are you?
I am out of the room.
Where are you?
We are out of the room.
Where are they?
They are out of the room.
Where are Ram and Shyam?
Ram and Sham out of the room.
Ram and Shyam are. Where are Ram and Shyam?
Ram and Sham are out of the room.
Where is he?
He is out of the room.
Where is she?
She is out of the room.
Where is it?
It is out of the room.
Where is Ram?
Ram is out of the room.
Okay, now we are using one more answer. Inside the temple. Inside the temple. Where am I? You are inside the temple. Okay. Ganesh, answer me. Where am I?
You are inside the temple.
Where are we?
We are inside the temple.
Where are you?
I am inside the temple.
Where are you?
We are inside the temple.
Where are they?
They are inside the temple.
Where are Ram and Shyam?
Ram and Shyam are inside the temple.
Where is he?
He is inside the temple.
Where is she?
She is inside the temple.
Where is it?
It is inside the temple.
Where is Ram?
Ram is inside the temple.
Very good, very good. Rohit, answer me these questions.
Yes.
Where are you? I am here. One by one you are answering. Okay. Where are you? I am here. Where are you?
I am here.
Where are you?
I am here. I am out of room.
Okay. Where are you?
I am inside the room.
Where are you?
I am near the room.
Where is Maya?
Maya is forward the room.
Where is Maya?
Maya is on the table.
Where is Maya?
Maya is between Ram and Sham. Ram and
is-
Sita.
Where is the bank?
Bank is behind the post office.
Where is the bank?
Bank is there.
Where is the bank?
Bank is above the Devi Chowk.
Where is the bank?
Bank is the outside the room.
Where is the God?
God is everywhere.
Okay. Where is the mobile shop?
Mobile is backward the room.
Where is the mobile?
Mobile is upon the table.
Where is the teacher?
Teacher is among the boys.
Where is the post office?
Post office is beyond the road.
Where is the television set?
Television set in the room.
Is miss होता है. Where is the television
Television
set?
set is in the room.
Where is the television set?
Television set is in the room.
Second answer. Where is the television set?
Television set is below the Devi Chowk.
Where is your friend?
My friend is far from room. Far from the room.
Where is your sister?
My sister is always from the room.
Where is your uncle?
My uncle is near by the room.
Where are the birds?
Birds are over the bridge.
Where is the doctor?
Doctor is beside the table.
Got it, everybody? In this way, you are making the questions and answers. So we have finished this lesson. Now test number 10. Test number 10 is about how questions and answers. How questions and answers.
सर मैंने एक बार भी नहीं बोला.
How questions and answers. Okay, Yuvraj ji, answer me. How am I? You are fine. Okay, Yuvraj ji, answer me. How am I? Arey, unmute yourself. How am I?
You are fine.
How are we?
We are fine.
How are you?
I am fine.
How are you?
We are fine.
How are they?
They are fine.
How are Ram and Shyam?
Ram and Shyam are fine.
How is he?
He is fine.
How is she?
She is fine.
How is Ram?
Ram is fine.
Okay, Ronak, how am I? You are happy. How am I? You are happy. Okay. How am I?
You are happy.
How are we?
We are happy.
How are you?
I am happy.
How are you?
I am happy.
How are you? We are.
We are happy.
How are they?
They are happy.
How are Ram and Shyam?
Ram and Shyam are happy.
How is he?
He is happy.
How is she?
She is happy.
How is Ram?
Ram is happy.
Okay, got it. How am I? Okay, how is your brother? My brother is fine. Answer me, Ronak. How is your brother?
My brother is fine.
How is your sister?
My sister is humble.
How is Shah Rukh Khan?
The Shah Rukh Khan is famous.
How is Inspiring Academy?
The Inspiring Academy is good.
How is the road?
The road is dirty.
How are students?
The students is happy.
Students. How are students?
The students are happy.
How are parents?
The parents are proud.
How is the sentence?
The sentence is correct.
How is the car?
The car is powerful.
रोहित फक्त ऐकायचं नाही आहे, उत्तर द्यायचे. Okay, how is the car?
The car is powerful.
How is grammar now?
The grammar is simple.
Okay, how is your friend?
My friend is successful.
How is Narendra Modi?
The Narendra Modi is confident.
How is Narendra Modi?
The Narendra Modi is strong.
द नाही वापरायचं, डायरेक्ट नरेंद्र मोदी. How is Mercedes?
The Mercedes is fast.
How is your sister?
My sister is aggressive.
How is Maya?
The Maya is nervous.
How is English?
English is important.
How is your father?
My father is rich.
How are you?
I am active.
How is your mother?
My mother is generous.
How is your grandfather?
My grandfather is honest.
How is your sister?
My sister is lovely.
How is that dog?
The dog is weak.
Okay, how is your sentence?
My sentence is accurate.
How are you?
I am clever.
Very good. Good job. Good job. All right. In this way, you are working on questions and answers. This grammar test will give you the correctness in your English, and it will build your confidence to speak in English. Understand? And after completion of grammar, feedback will give you the correct knowledge of English. Understand? And feedback will make you to realize your mistakes. Feedback will make you to realize your mistakes. Understand? So what happens? Sometimes we have a lot of mistakes, but we do not admit those mistakes. We do not accept those mistakes, and we do not know that we have these mistakes. But when we write, then we start making mistakes. Understand? So the tests are important for you all. All right. Now next test. Next test is, how is it? It is testy. All right. Okay. Vinayak, answer me. Vinayak. Okay, fine. Be on phone. No problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vinayak. How is it?
It is tasty.
How is this?
This is tasty.
How is that?
That is tasty.
How are they?
They are tasty.
How are these?
These are tasty.
How are those?
Those are tasty.
Very good. Now answer me. How is the pickle? The pickle is tasty. Okay. How is the pickle?
The pickle is tasty.
How is the weather?
The weather is cold.
How is the machine?
The machine is heavy.
How is the board?
Board is white.
How is the floor?
The floor is wet.
How is the movie?
The movie is boring.
How is the curry?
The curry is spicy.
How is the water?
The water is hot.
How is the product?
The product is light.
How is that cat?
That cat fat.
That
That
cat
cat is fat.
fat. Okay.
Fat.
How is the train?
The train is early.
How is English?
English is hard.
Okay. How is your behavior?
My behavior is good.
Okay. How is that house?
That house is small.
How is your sentence?
My sentence is true.
How is that insect?
That insect is thin.
How is the train?
The train is late.
How is the pillow?
The pillow is soft.
How is her language?
Her language is bad.
How is the television?
The television is big.
How is that picture?
That picture is colorful.
How is the joke?
The joke is great.
How is that accident?
That accident is harmful.
How is the balance?
The balance is empty.
How are the fruits?
The fruits are healthy.
How is that highway?
That highway is long.
How is the water?
The water is colorless.
How is the insect?
The insect is tiny.
How is the cockroach?
The cockroach is harmless.
How is that bucket?
The bucket is full.
How is smoking?
The smoking is unhealthy.
Okay, how is your speech?
My speech is short.
How is your shirt?
My shirt is green.
How is the towel?
The towel is dry.
Okay, how is your behavior?
My behavior is interesting.
And how is your room?
My room is bright.
Got it? In this way, you can make lot of questions and lot of answers. See, I have given you a lot of varieties, of asking questions and answering questions. So it will definitely help you a lot to speak better English. All right. Now test number 12. Avedna, why am I in the city? मी सिटी मध्ये का आहे? मी या शहरामध्ये काय आहे? का आहे? का? Okay, why? You are in the city to speak English. तुम्ही या शहरामध्ये इंग्रजी बोलण्यासाठी आहात. In this way. Okay, Avedna, answer me. Why am I in the city?
You are in the city to speak English.
Why are we in the city?
We are in the city to speak English.
Why are you in the city?
I am in the city to speak English.
Why are you in the city?
We are in the city to speak English.
Why are they in the city?
They are in the city to speak English.
Why is he in the city? He is.
He is in the city to speak English.
Why is she in the city?
She is in the city to speak English.
Why is it in the city?
It is in the city to speak English.
Why is Ram in the city?
Ram is in the city to speak English.
Okay, very good. Avedna, now answer me these questions. Okay. Why are you online? I am online to speak English. Okay.
I
Why
am
are you
online.
online?
I am online to speak English.
Why are you in the garden?
I am garden.
I am in the garden.
I am in the garden for fun.
Okay. Why are you on the stage?
I am in the stage for seminar.
Why are you in the temple?
I am in the temple for happiness.
Why are you in the office?
I am in the office for some suggestion.
Why are you in Inspiring Academy?
I am in inspiring academy for learning English.
Why are you in the theater?
I am in the theater for entertainment.
Why are you in the classroom?
I am in the classroom for lecture.
Why are you in multinational company?
I am multinational company for job.
Why are you in the corporation?
I am in corporation for the submission of the project.
Why are you in the library?
I am in the library for knowledge.
Why are you in Goa?
I am Goa
सरला मॅडम उत्तर देण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे म्यूट मध्येच.
I am
फक्त समजल्याने इंग्लिश बोलता येणार नाहीये, ऐकल्याने थोडस ट्राय करायचं आहे. थोडस ट्राय करायचं. ओके. Why are you in Goa? Why are you in Goa?
I am in Goa for vacation.
Why are you on the stage?
Sorry, sir.
Why are you on the stage?
I am in the stage for a presentation.
Why are you in America?
I am in America for business tour.
Got it, everybody? I think no need to give more explanation, right? Now, next is about 13th lesson. That is what questions and answers. Okay. All right. So now, Nachiket, answer me. What is in the city? The garden is in the city. Okay. Nachiket, answer me.
Okay.
What is in the city?
The garden is in the city.
What is inside the bag? Okay, you ask me question. What is inside?
Sorry,
the
sir.
bag? You ask me the questions. What is inside the bag?
What is inside the bag?
The mobile is inside the bag.
What is at the end?
The hospital is at the end.
What is over there?
The birds are over there.
What is out of the city?
The amusement park is out of the city.
What is outside the office?
The students are the offices are outside. The banks are outside the office.
What is near him?
The table is near him.
What is on Sunday?
The party is on Sunday.
What is on the road?
The vehicles are on the road.
What is on the corner?
The hospital is on the corner.
What is away from you?
The laptop is away from me.
What is off the hill?
The temple is off the hill.
What is on the top?
The mobile tower is on the top.
What is behind the door?
The hanger is behind the door. Got it, everybody? So you are writing the questions and answers here. If you study, then you will come to know the questions and answers. So you are requested to study it. You are requested to study it. All right. So Ganesh, answer me. What are they? They are buses. Okay. What are they?
They are buses.
What are these?
These are buses.
What are those?
Those are buses.
What are here?
Here are buses.
What are there?
There are buses.
What is it?
It is a bus.
What is this?
This is a bus.
What is that?
That is a bus.
What is here?
Here is a bus.
What is there?
There is a bus.
Okay, very good. Oh, very good. Got it. So you are changing the answers now. You are changing the answers now.
हॅलो ऐका ना सर, मला एक प्रश्न विचारायचं होतं. हॅलो,
हा विचारा.
ऐका ना सर, आता खाली जे ऑप्शन आहेत आन्सर स्क्रीन बरोबर,
ते
स्पोन
answers मध्ये
क्लास,
वापरायचे.
मग ऐका ना, पण त्यावेळेस सर क्वेश्चन सर हेच असणार का, म्हणजे फक्त व्हॉट आर आयडी वेगळं काहीतरी येणार का?
हा, what are they? They are spoons. What are they? They are glasses. What are these? These are glasses. Okay.
हा, म्हणजे एका प्रकारे सर वाक्य म्हणजे प्रश्न तेच असणार, फक्त ऑप्शन हे वेगवेगळं बदलणार.
Yes. Questions are same. Answers are different. Okay.
डिफरंट. हा बरोबर, ठीक आहे. मग काय हरकत नाही.
Aradhna ji, answer me. What are they? They are glasses. Okay. What are they?
They are classes.
What are these?
These are classes.
What are those?
Those are classes.
What are here?
Here are classes.
What are there?
There are classes.
What is it?
It is a class.
What is this?
This is a class.
What is that?
That is a class.
What is here?
Here is a class.
What is there?
There is a class.
Okay, in this way we talked about lesson number, test number 14. Now test number 15. All right. Now Sunita ji, answer me. What is your brother? My brother is a minister. And change the words. तुमचे भाऊ काय करतात? माझे भाऊ मिनिस्टर आहेत, मंत्री आहेत. Okay, change the words. What is your brother?
My brother is minister.
What are your brothers?
My brother is empire.
No. एक दोन वेगवेगळे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ सिंग्युलर क्वेश्चन and second question is a plural question.
Okay.
Okay. What is your brother? Again, what is your brother?
My brother is a minister.
What are your brothers?
My brothers are minister का empire? दुसरे ऑप्शन
Ministers घ्या, एकच घ्या शब्द.
ministers.
आता शब्द चेंज करा. दोन नंतर शब्द चेंज करायचा.
Okay.
What is your uncle?
My uncle is a minister.
Pilot घ्या आता. What is your uncle?
My uncle is a pilot.
What are your uncles?
My uncles are pilot. Pilot is येणार ना?
Pilot.
ASC. हा,
Pilot.
pilot. हा.
Okay. What is your friend?
My friend is काय सांगू, coach.
Okay. What are your friends?
My friends are coaches.
Coaches. Correct. What is your brother?
My brother is assistant.
What are your brothers?
My brothers are assistants.
What is your sister-in-law?
My sister-in-law producer.
He is missing hote. What is your sister-in-law?
My sister-in-law are producers.
Okay. What is your brother-in-law?
My brother-in-law is artist.
He is an artist. What are your brothers-in-law?
My brothers are artists.
Okay, very good. In this way, we talked about 15 tests. I think now we need to stop. Today we need to stop, and we will complete next test on next Friday. Okay.